Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you the best way to start affiliate marketing from scratch with no money. As I am able to earn money with this program and I'm still building it to use. In this video we will go through all different ways where you can drive traffic to your platform, best niche for your products, best paying affiliate programs or networks, and what kind of software to use to build your affiliate programs. Watch all the way through it. I'm going to show you step-by-step process how to start your affiliate marketing business in 2021. And stay tuned, there is a gold nuggets for all the beginner affiliate marketer in 2021. Hey guys, welcome back. Javed Akthar, and I am currently a student working part-time, studying, building my online business in affiliate marketing. So without wasting time, let's go hit it. So step one, go and get your audience. I get lots of questions about I don't have any followers or I don't have any audience. The truth is you don't need any audience, you don't need any followers. We all affiliate marketers start from scratch. Do you guys use Facebook? We all have Facebook. If we post any products in our Facebook post, our friends gonna see, and that's a form of affiliate marketing. What are the platforms which can drive traffic in 2021? First, TikTok. TikTok is a global and worldwide network where you can create fun stuff and it goes viral. Second, Instagram. It's same like TikTok, but it has different algorithm. Third, Facebook, one of the hardest platforms to drive traffic. Third, YouTube, one of the specified platforms to drive traffic. Website and Twitter, same as YouTube. This platform make possible to drive traffic if you post regular content. Second, find an affiliate program or affiliate network. What is affiliate network? It's a platform where a bunch of companies and brands form a network to promote their product and services and bring it in front of their customers. To join the program, you can promote their products anywhere from the world. There are lots of affiliate network: ClickBank, JVG, Amazon Associate, DZ24. Third, choose your best niche to promote your products. Currently, I'm promoting the niche of make money online, but you can have different niche according to your lifestyle, to your hobbies, or whatever you like. Top 3 niches in affiliate marketing: health, wealth, and relationship niche. You can choose any of your niche and start promoting to different social media platforms and make sure to get traffic. Fourth step, what kind of software to use in 2021 for beginner affiliate marketers? You need to know 3 things before you start using your softwares. To build your email list. Second thing, to create your funnels. Third thing is to create your own domain name. Let's dive into what software we are using. But before diving in softwares, I want to give you the golden nuggets for all the beginners. So today, golden nuggets for the beginners is start building your traffic from TikTok. TikTok is more powerful in terms of views, likes, and follow. We have achieved different results from TikTok, and if your content goes viral quick, you'll succeed quick. Disclaimer, I'm not any gurus or anything. Get rich scheme doesn't exist in the world. So it's up to you. How do you use your social media network and how do you scale your business? So let's get started with our softwares. First software is to build your email list. I personally use GetResponse because it's alternative for email. Building your email list is AWEBER. They work both similar. To get started with your email list, link in my description where you can get 30-day free trial. You can learn more about it. Second thing, to create your funnels. Funnel is basically a sequence of a page where you build with your customers or your audience. I use ClickFunnels because it's easy to navigate and everything is on your fingertips. Link in my description for 14 days trial. Go and try it. Third, to build your domain name. Having a domain name specifies what you are and what you're doing. So if you don't want to use it now, it's fine, you can use it later, but remember, when you scale your business, you need your domain name. To know more about affiliate marketing and to learn everything about affiliate marketing, there's link in description below. So it's Basically a 15-day challenge where you learn everything in 15 days and you can scale your business. You can start it from scratch. So disclaimer, I don't guarantee you'll start getting profits soon in 15 days. First you need to learn, apply it, and then the results will come for you. Hard work is key to success. Build your business and subscribe to Freedom Power. Thank you. See you in next video.